Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. If you happen to be new here to my channel, I'm Christy and I'm so glad that you stopped by today because I will be making a fantastic Thanksgiving side dish. I'm making green bean casserole, folks. This is so delicious. This is a classic dish that is a staple on many Thanksgiving tables, but I'm putting a twist on it today. I am loading it up with bacon and cheese. Yeah, bacon. I mean, bacon makes everything better, right? So this is so good. It's so delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it. The full recipe will be in the description box below, but it's time for us to get started because it's that time to cook. All right, so I have around a pound of fresh green beans, and these are the Air. I don't know if that's how you really say it or not, but anyway, you can use fresh or frozen or even canned, but if you use the fresh or frozen, you will want to blanch them first. And I will quickly show you just how to do that. All right, so I'm setting my green beans off to the side. I've got a large bowl here and I'm going to mix together my soup mixture. I've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And then I have a 1/2 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to give a pinch of salt and black pepper. All right, then I have 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and this is a sharp cheddar. I'm going to use 1/2 of that in the soup mixture and then 1/2 of it for the top. Then I have 4 pieces of bacon. I cut them into small pieces. I fried them up until they were crisp, and I'm going to use 1/2 of them in the soup mixture and then the other 1/2 for the top. All right, you're going to need some French fried onions, a cup of them. I'm going to use half of a cup in the soup and then the other 1/2 on top. And I'm just estimating here. I'm just eyeballing these. All right, I'm going to stir this all together. Then I'm going to add my green beans. All right, so once you've got your soup and your green beans mixed together really good, then take a baking dish. And I think this is I think it's a 7x11, but you can also use an 8x8. And I'm just going to spray it with some nonstick spray. And I'm going to dump the green beans into the baking dish. All right, then top with the remaining cheese. And bacon. And the French fried onions. Oh, this already looks beautiful, but now we've got to bake it in a 350-degree oven for right around 30 to 35 minutes till it's nice and hot and bubbly and all browned on top. Oh yeah, just look at this loaded green bean casserole. You guys got to come check this out. Oh, this is my favorite part. And the green beans still have a slight crunch, which is the way I like them. All right, guys, well, I hope that you give my loaded green bean casserole a try. I know that you will love it. And since it is the Thanksgiving season, I just want to take the time to tell you how much I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm not just saying that, I really mean it with all of my heart. I'm so grateful, so thankful to you. So here's where my mic goes out. What I was trying to say is I'm so thankful for all of you who subscribe, leave me comments, watch my videos, share my videos, give me a thumbs up. It all means the world to me. You guys are awesome. I truly appreciate you. So have a happy Thanksgiving. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.